Alrighty, so let's go ahead and go over the next the trades or the pairs that I think will be profitable this week. So first up is UJ on the monthly time frame. We're currently maintaining these higher lows right now, and right now, if you look to the left, you are at a level of intense demand, right? So we use that level as resistance before. Now right back there again. There is a possibility that we could that this level could act as support now. And you look to the left, also you see the weekly created a level of support. There is a possibility that now that we're back at this level, price could respect it. That's what's most likely to happen since we're still maintaining, and it would take another weekly candle to break this minor support level. Well, not even minor, that's a major. It's full. But last candle we had was this really nice engulfing candle. And you look to the left here and you are at a level of resistance. So I would buy if New York session opened at this level, right? But if for some reason we get to New York session and we're still floating at these highs, I'm not going to take a buy because it's probably going to go bearish first, and maybe the next daily candle will be the bullish one. So it also depends on where we open come New York session on Monday, right? And then Tuesday if we don't get that. So on AU, overall, I try not to say I think. I'm trying to say what I see, right? So let's go to the 12-year real quick. Well, the 1 year real quick. Wild. But this is a level of very intense support on the yearly. You see, we acted as support here, support, resistance, support, and there's a possibility that the next candle or the candle for this year will close bullish. And I know it's wild to get the yearly into it, but let's just talk about it for a second. Why not? Right. And so if we go to the 6 month, we see we're kind of still respecting this level, but aside from all of that, you have this level of, just drag this over here, this level of support on the monthly, and it kept rejecting this level. Now, the previous candle closed as an engulfing, but it also closed with a massive wick. For why? Why did you do that? What you're telling me with that is that we actually have more buyer's exhaustion than seller's exhaustion. So there's a chance that sellers could come into play if it comes to a level of supply on the monthly. And to me, it is. All we've had so far is this daily candle close. This could be creating a double top to continue bearish back to this level, but there's a possibility that maybe later in the week we'll have a retrace back to this level or some type of retrace to continue bearish. But I don't know. I am thinking about taking sells depending again on where price opens, right? So if we come 8 o'clock and we're already like at a low, I'm obviously not going to be able to buy. I'm going to probably just wait until the next day or wait a few hours, more than likely just the next day. So we'll see what price does. But if it's like up here, right, and then I get some 1 hour engulfing, 30-minute engulfings, then that would be really nice, a really nice signal to go bearish. So we shall see. And now for UCAD. This one's interesting. The previous, so it looks like it's about to break and that it's making lower lows, but at the same time, you got to remember we're overall very, very bullish. This is 61.8 level. The previous weekly candle closed with a whole lot of wick to the downside, and the candle that reacted to this zone before closed as a really massive, fat, bullish engulfing candle. Now we also in a level of resistance, turn support, but let me try to make it more clear on the daily. All right, price was acting as resistance here. Could act as support here. And you see how price came back to this level where it previously created support and rejected it. So again, if price is at a low Monday, 8 o'clock session, I'm definitely gonna be looking to take some buys because I really like how this daily candle close is very, very strong. So maybe when the market opens, it might, give you a little drop. And maybe London will form a 4-hour support so that when US comes, we already have that extra support in that really good level just for extra confirmation to say, yeah, we're gonna go bullish. But those are my main trades that I see right meow. On NU, it's like it's label, it has a pink label because it's not as good, but it's just a possibility. Like when I look at the monthly chart, like I don't know, it's just this previous candle has way, no, actually not that even close, but this previous candle has way too much buyers for me to just want to go ahead and sell based off of this one daily candle that is not even can't even be compared to this massive bullish candle. So it's just like maybe not today. If I see like maybe if the daily creates a lower high or something, I don't know, maybe we'll see. But if I was gonna sell, I would want this weekly candle to close as bearish or a doji or something that would help me be more confident in taking counter trend trades. But yeah, aside from that, if I see something like this, that'd be cool, But yeah, let's see how this week goes. Happy trading.